And now you've had a chance to work with DreamApply for quite a few years. In a few words, what's your general impression of DreamApply as a software for student recruitment and admissions management?
So I honestly say that I'm a great sponsor of the system. As I told you before, we have been apart from the fact that we were coming from something that was not and wasn't a software, but now we have a system that has the chance to collect applications, give us as admission staff the chance to see the applications, the applicant life throughout each step, even before they submit the application. And when they submitted it, whenever we have some of the students that writes us, we are able to just putting the email address on the browse to see where is the student, what is happening, why is it stuck, and other things. And of course, we have the feature of the tables, for example, that allow us to do whatever we need to do. And also another very fundamental thing that has never happened before, and I mean we can do with DreamApply, is to have advisors, professors, admissions committee enter the system. And for us, it's very helpful because we don't have to download Excel files. We don't have to send it to them. We don't have to download documents and share and do, put them in the cloud. And we have everything there. They do whatever they need to do there. They have their notes. They can write the notes. They can rank them. They can do most of the work. And I mean, in these years, we have I don't want to say all the committee are there because still we have some professors that have different ways of evaluating students, but still most of the committee are now there. So that is a very great feature too.